So sweetie, let's get this recipe done. It's going to be so delicious. I'm going to be needing flour. Over here, you have 3 cups of all-purpose flour. So I'll add in baking powder. So I get that straight. I'm going to be adding sugar. This is good to go. Then salt. So adding oil. So now I add the normal warm water. Adding cold water, not warm water, guys. So mix to have a strong dough. And the water filter, keep the dough. So sweetie, just keep the dough back over here. I will just cover it. Have this pan and add a little bit of oil. So add the chicken breast. So now the chicken is fine. Add the curry powder, thyme, adding pepper. So adding ginger. So adding nut cube, just one side of it. Adding salt to taste. Sweetie, while the chicken is cooking, adding this burger cheese. Stir that together. Allow the cheese to melt along with the chicken, and then everything cook together. So now the chicken is ready. I'm going to turn off the heat. Allow the chicken to cool down like this. Add in a little bit of flour in the wash surface like this. So here we have the dough. Just add a little bit of flour on the top. Then roll it with your roller. This is good to go. Now add in the chicken. So cover. So just seal everywhere like this. So once you get that seal, try for it to be circle shaped like this. Then add the oil. Now you are going to take it, add it over here. So you are going to allow this to get baked with this pan with low heat. Don't high your heat, guys, just low heat. At least 15 minutes later we are going to be back. So we are going to flank it like this. Oh my gosh, look at that. So turn it back. So now you turn it, then cover it back again. Another 15 minutes, and we are going to have our so sweetie. 15 minutes later, look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. So now we are going to transfer it back over here. Use it around with butter. Have your food. So yummy. So yummy. So sweetie, now we cut it. Look at that. This is so yummy. So sweetie, this is so yummy. You can see that. So yummy, can easily get this done. Let's taste this food. Wow, wow. Don't forget to share, guys. Try this for yourself. It's very, very easy to get done. In just a minute, you're going to get this done. As a breakfast, as lunch, you're going to enjoy it. In my next one, bye.